In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your surveys using Surveymonkey. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned user looking to refine your process, this guide will walk you through the steps needed for efficient organization and modification of your survey pages. First, we're going to start at the very beginning by visiting the Surveymonkey homepage. So go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to the Surveymonkey homepage, where you should see a list of your ongoing surveys under the projects section. Once you're there, find any survey that you're working on and click on it. This will take you to the survey overview page where you'll be able to see and manage all aspects of your survey. Next, we're going to focus on the design part of your survey. You'll want to click on the Design Survey button. This is where you can really customize your survey to not only make it look inviting to respondents, but also ensure that it captures the necessary data effectively. It's always a good idea to thoroughly check your survey design at this stage to confirm that all elements are in line with your objectives. Once you're in the design view, if you scroll down, you'll eventually see the option for More Actions. Click on this to get a drop-down menu with additional options for managing your pages. If you need to delete an entire page within your survey, you'll see a specific option for Delete Page in this menu. However, there might be instances where you don't want to lose any of the valuable questions on that page. In this case, Surveymonkey offers a neat feature that allows you to move your questions before deleting. Simply click on Move Questions to the page above. This ensures that all your carefully crafted questions are preserved and simply relocated rather than lost. Now that your questions are safe on the previous page, it's time to go back to the More Actions dropdown and select Delete. This will remove the now empty page from your survey structure. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to keep your survey clean and efficient. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can expertly manage your survey pages on Surveymonkey, ensuring that your data collection is as streamlined as possible. Remember, maintaining clear and organized surveys not only makes your job easier, but also enhances the respondent experience. Thanks for tuning into this guide and happy surveying!